Hello everyone, I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and I'm here in our Alvin project checking on things. I'm working on this with Tiffany White of Mid-City Design Group. We have completed the foam insulation and we're just waiting for some electrical permits to come through. As you know, in construction, sometimes these things can have an effect. So until we do that and we can finish the main electric, we can't close up the walls. As far as the insulation, the designer decided to keep the ceiling exposed as kind of a more industrial look. She sent us some really nice inspo pictures, which is going to look really great. And then the other thing that we're doing today is putting in all the windows. We have a couple of windows that will open and close, and then we have some really nice picture windows that will go in for here in the gym area. So that's about it for the update of this project. Stay tuned for more.